Well, hello my friends, this is AskLewie, and today I'm going to show you a simple way on how to do a jellyfish. So let's get right to it. So now that you've seen my few examples that I've displayed for you, let's take a look deep down inside on how it's done. Let's go. Before you start performing the jellyfish in front of people, you really want to get your O's on point. So make sure you practice your O's in a room with no air so you don't have a draft pushing the vape around whenever you release your O's. So for the first thing for beginners, you're going to want to learn how to walk while blowing O's. If it's easier for you, keep your hands up close to your face. That way, as soon as you release your O, you can get behind it and press forward to expand it. Let's take another look at this example real quick. You can see as I'm walking up, I take a nice long drag straight into the lungs, no mouth hit. It's straight into the lungs. As I'm walking, I release the O with my hands close to my face and I press it forward as I'm walking to expand the diameter of the O itself. And after I get it to expand enough, as you watch, I take a nice drag straight into the mouth. I do not inhale any of this vapor. You want to get close to the midpoint of the O and release that vapor directly into the middle so it goes through and wraps around the outside of the O, creating the tail that you see off most jellyfishes. And then after the vape is released into the middle and it wraps around, I always put both my hands behind it and press at least 3 to 4 inches behind it to make it expand a little bit more. That way the jellyfish gets a little bit bigger. So just remember, my friends, to get your O's on lock, keep your hands up, press from behind it forward to expand that O, and then you'll take a nice drag into the mouth and release all of it. You do not want to inhale deep inside the lungs. It is just straight into the mouth like you're hitting a cigarette. So that's pretty much the end of this nice quick tutorial on how to do a jellyfish. If it helped you, please let me know in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please smash that like button. If you want to see future content, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And just keep this in mind. The drawing for my giveaway will be out in about 3 or 4 days. So just stay in touch, watch my videos, check them out, and then you will get a chance to win the DNA 75 watt A1 device or the 2 pairs of Bluetooth headphones. That's pretty much it, guys. And just remember, ask Lou.